Welcome to the Magic School. Today we will talk about divination and divination aids. What comes to mind when you say divination? Probably the known "what awaits you and will not miss you." Forget about it. The future is not yet happened, and fate is not predetermined. So what can divination reveal to you? Links, connections, and chains of causes and consequences. It allows you to understand yourself, the situation you are in, and how to get out of it. We have already mentioned the astral plane before. It includes the Akasha Chronicle, which keeps track of all the thoughts, actions, and events of the world. Your higher self is constantly communicating with it. Higher self is in contact with the subconscious and gives it information that relates to you. The subconscious is asking the higher self for the information you need to complete. This communication channel works continuously. Consciousness stands aside. Why? Because it works on the principle of free will. Free decision-making exists only when the consequences are not known in advance. But consciousness receives information from the subconscious in the form of dreams, hunches, intuition, and so on. It can also connect to the subconscious through meditation. The essence of divination is therefore to obtain information from the astral plane through the subconscious. The oracle tools serve as a mediator between consciousness and subconscious. Some help you project images or ideas right into your mind. Others allow the subconscious to guide your hand. The first ones include, for example, the well-known crystal ball, tea leaves, or coffee grounds. The other, tarot cards, runes, or pendulum. Choose a divination tool that will appeal to you and try divination today. Be an active and creative part of the universe. Be free. Your Brinar.